Damn, it's not for them. Stop going to touch me. You never want me to be like that. Damn, Luna House.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, so welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Today, I break this news come on our table. This our brother from whether for United Kingdom. I know, yes, it's United Kingdom. Now this thing for happen. So for our country for here, we they call am Prophet 2. For that side, they call am home service. Home service. Yes. He go for his document, then they refuse him. Then our brother now decide to enter inside box on that box. Una go say, I dey laugh, no be say I dey laugh, the thing dey funny. The thing really dey pain when all those immigration try to frustrate your effort. Yes, I know say that country no be our brother country, na Africa, but we also remember that all of us, whether Europe, whether America, whether any part of the world, we migrate to another country. Oh, no, but the frustration is not here. When you go watch, I will put the video. When I go watch the video, no, it's too touching. It's too really touching. As our creator talk, he say, anyway you set your feet into, that land belongs to you. Why can't you guys give him his documents? He resident. He not commit crime. He not commit anything. Look at a grown-up man. He dey cry because of resident permit. God protect our country. God make everything work fine for our country. Whether na Nigeria, whether na Ghana, I don't know where that our brother be. God let everything work for good. Guys, you guys can see how this our brother, they say go home office. Then they refuse to give him his resident, that is paper, the resident permit to work and to stay in the United Kingdom. They refuse his document. Then out of the frustration, he go under car. Yes, he can't go under car. They from there, they shout and they cry. Waiting he do. Why they don't want to give him his document? Why they refuse his document? It's not really easy for this Western world. If you not get documents, my people, in fact, they don't know you. They don't count you. Nothing that they do when they will count your name inside. The suffer, the frustration is not here. It's not be what they talk. As now our brother they cry, I feel for him. But bro, if you not enter that car on that bus, what of the bus can't crush you? Wait till you go talk. Now when you can't dey ever be where you go dey. Now you go to say residents they exist. No, no. The police come, they say you are under arrest. Okay, the deportation when you dey run for before, abi going back when you dey run for before, when you make you enter under box. As police come, I think they go arrest you. Number one, you don't get the resident. Number two, you violate their law. Because people go they go war, people go they go somewhere, you dey under the box. My brother, my sister, if you dey out there, you watch this my video, please, if you are passing similar things like this, committing suicide is not the answer. And going under the bus or going tie road or go train track is not the answer. God that make you rich today, the same God is still there for you to do it for every one of us, okay? No go and hang yourself, no go kill yourself just because of resident permit. If you love your family back home, or if you even love yourself, don't do it. No, they're not water. Oh, every world they migrate to each country. Oh, maybe why our own be like this is because we always migrate as immigrants and seeking for asylum. Those people that they migrate with their profession, job, I believe that is the why things are like this. That is my own. I don't know. You can drop your own opinion because this is our brother. The thing really touched me and it touched me and it touched me. I pray may the Almighty God grant his he had desire and send somebody and give him a good lawyer to defend him that is out of frustration because it's not really easy. It's not really easy for you to stay country and you don't get the resident or you don't get anything called paper for you to work, for you to do some kind things. Please, I will leave the video for you guys to watch. If today na your first day of coming across Naija Daughter TV, na me dey here. Please subscribe. I say I'm going to break everything when they happen in this world. The one that my hand touch, I will grab her and bring her come this my house. Okay. if you dey there, I don't fit talk am, no do am, okay, no do am, no do am. Encourage yourself. Downfall of the man is not the end of his life. It will make you strong, it will make you focus, it will make you think double to know what you want and what you can do. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Oliver regarding
وين قامت شقة؟ والربز عندها
Come out! Don't be here! Not helping you! Just come out! No! It's nice for them! 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 Stop out! Don't touch me! You never want me to be like that! Damn, Luna House! What done to them? I've got family problems too. I lost my mom, I can't move. I can't do nothing. Huh? Arrest me. I don't care! My paper! My paper! My paper! My paper! My paper! My paper!